Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to go through the Microsoft Teams overview. It's a step-by-step an overview of Microsoft Teams. So what I need to do is launch Microsoft Teams. So this is the Microsoft Team desktop versions. If you have not installed the desktop versions, you have to install the client. And if you watch my other video, it has a step-by-step how to install desktop clients. So once you open up Teams, it takes you to the Teams, default to Teams. So under Teams site or under Teams tab here, it has all the teams that you are belong to. For example, here's all the team site that I part of. Um, so here's my test team site, there's Contoso IT team site, there's IS team site, and there's a demo team site. And if you want to join a different team or you want to create a team, all you have to do is here, click on join or create a team. I'm going to click on that. As you can see here, you can create teams or you can join team with a code. Let's see if I want to join the Contoso HR. All I have to do is click join. The same thing as this one. These are all the public team sites I can join. And if I want to create a new team site, all I have to do is click on create a team, then give it a name. Just call it my. I'm just gonna call it YouTube demo. And the under description you can call it whatever you want. It's YouTube demo. I'm sorry, I forgot to put an O here. Under description, you can describe what your team site is all about. Under privacy, you can set it to only team owners can add members, or you can change it to public. With public, anyone in your organization can join. And the org Y, everyone in your organization will be automatically added to. So you don't want to do that. You probably have to do a public and anybody can join. So and then click next. Gonna create a public. You can create using an existing template, or you can create a team site using the Microsoft team from the existing Office security groups, Office 365 group. So in this case, I'm going to do that and click next. Add members to the team site. I'm going to add my test users. Click add. I'm just going to add one user and click close. So the YouTube demo team site has been created. If I want to add more people, I just go to add more people. And if I want to create more channels, I just click create more channel here. Uh, Test. I'm going to send a conversation test. And under files, you can upload files to this team site. Um, we can go to new files or upload file or get a link or add a cloud storage or open up a SharePoint. Wiki is just information. And if you want to add more tab, just click here, add tab. I'm just going to call this, let's see here, tabs for your team. I'm just going to add, let's add Power BI. So with the Power BI, you can click on the no report found. If you have a report, just select that. I don't have any report. I'm gonna click back. Let's do Excel. There are no file. I don't have any file location. But anyway, that's how you create tabs by click on the plus sign. Or so, and if I want to, so those are Teams tab. Chat is all the chats that you are currently um, chatting with, all the people that you're currently chatting with or recently chatting with. And here's all the members that belong to one of your team's site here. Activity is the recent activities feed. If you have anything there, you should see all the activities. Okay. And under meetings, if you have meetings currently scheduled, you should be able to see all this meeting here today, tomorrow. So it shows the per day. Or you can schedule a meeting. Click on schedule a meeting from here. You can schedule a meeting. So that's meeting. Calls, if you want to make any voicemail call or phone call, all you have to do is type in the number, say 714-899, and then click on the call button here to make a phone call. Histories, if you have recent call history. Contact, if you want to create a contact, just say you want to add a contact, or you can create a new contact group. Um, my contact, click on create. So my contact has been created. So that's contact. And if you click on files, under files tab, you should see all the files that you have under that belong to your one of your team site. So any files that uploaded to your team site, you should see all of them here. Also, if you have a OneDrive storage enabled, um, it should you should see it under OneDrive. Download. If you download anything, you could should open the download folder, so it should open up the local download folder. This three button here, if you want to add more apps, you can just click on the button and click on go to the store and add apps. And if you want to get more app that you want added to your teams, click on get app here. It takes you to the store. So you have to log in using Google Play account or Apple account. We're gonna close this out. So that's basically it for the overview of Teams. And if you have any question, please feel free to put in your question in the comment section below. And thank you for watching and have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Like I mentioned previously, my channel will cover Configuration Manager, Office 365, and Azure, and anything related to Windows 10 as well. Have a good day. Thank you.